Hello student, we are talking about the revised curriculum class 10 social science. The last period or last video we discussed about the new curriculum and economic syllabus. Now today we are going to discuss the new syllabus of history, geography, civics and list of the first we discuss about the history. In history there are two sections, section and section 2. In section 1 there are two chapter or two lesson. Number 1 is that the rise of nationalism in Europe. Number 2, nationalism in India. These are the two lessons in section 1. Now in section 2. In section 2 it has a two theme. Theme number 1, the making of global world, and second theme, the age of industrialization. But you have to note down, out of these two themes, the one theme will be selected for the periodic test, and this theme will be not asked in final examination or board examination. Therefore, in section 2, out of two themes, any one theme will be asked in periodic test 1. Now, next subject, that is geography. In geography, certain changes are made as per the new curriculum. Chapter number 1 as it is. There is no change in chapter number 1, that is resources and development. Now, chapter number 3. Chapter number 3. Water resources. On this lesson, water resources, only map-based question will be asked in board examination. Only map-based question will be asked in final examination. Chapter number 2 is omitted from our syllabus. Lesson number 3, agriculture. And lesson number 5, that is 5th, that is mineral. Again, you have to keep in your mind or note down, on this mineral lesson, only map question will be asked in board examination. This chapter will not be assessed in periodic test and board examination. Only map question will be asked in board examination. And lesson number 6, manufacturing industries as it is. There is no change in any content in lesson number 6. Lesson number 7, lifeline of national economy. There is no change in this lesson. In this way, we discuss about the history and geography. Now last, in civics, lesson number 1, that is theme number 1, power sharing. These are the points in power sharing. Lesson number 2, federalism, and lesson number 6, political parties, and lesson number 7, outcomes of democracy. These are the only 4 lessons in civics 1, 2, 6 and 7. Now will we move what are the lesson map. Now map question on the following topic. Topic number 1, history. First one, history. Outline political map of India. I will ask on lesson number 3, nationalism in India. And the few are given such as Indian National Congress sessions, important centers of Indian national movement, and locating and labeling or identification. Then the map question will be asked in geography on following lesson. Chapter number 1, resources and development, identification only, major soil types. Lesson number 3, water resources, locating and labeling. And lesson number 4, agriculture, identification only. Lesson number 5, minerals and energy resources, locating and labeling only. Lesson number lifeline of national economy, locating and labeling. So therefore, my dear student, this is a revised curriculum. As per this curriculum, we are going to practice map-based question tomorrow onwards. Therefore, all the students, please, you have to purchase the map, political map of India. Tomorrow in geography lesson, the lesson number 1, resource and development, will be discussed the map question and revision of the all lesson from lesson 1 to last lesson. Thank you.